All right. Welcome back to today's trade recap. Right. Okay. Going into the markets, I was convinced that all right. Um, we might be bullish for the day. Right. Okay. Um, just keep it not. Always having a shitty network now. I'm fucking thing. Right. Okay. Um, what low is this? This is a London low here, right? The the reason why I actually considered taking loans, even without price taking out this significant low in London. The reason why I actually took loans without seeing price take out this significant low, which is London low, is because this is an Asia low here. This is this Asia high, then guess this Asia low also. No, this Asia low here. So we saw this was when Asia session ended. This is what am I doing now? It's fucking hell man. Let me see. Let's see. Bro, that's now. That's 41. That's what, bro. Can you imagine? Fucking hell. I'm always making that mistake every time, bro. It's good. It's good, sha. It's good anyways. I don't know. Fucking hell. Alright. See price. Um, swept this Asia low, right? Then taps into this 1 hour gap. Then creating another lower low. But I wasn't really, I wasn't really expecting price to come back to fill up this gap. Then completely sweeping this London low. But see exactly what happened. It's going down to the it's 15 minutes, right? At 9:30 open, right? I saw um price creates a fair value, a aggressive move to the upside. This is 9:30 candle, right? Created an aggressive move to the upside. And I was like, yeah, this is much. And I was like, how can I like take loans from um this 1 hour fair value gap from the delivery of the 1 hour fair value gap? Like, how can I take loans from this place? Then I just have to wait for this 15 minutes time frame. Um, what's it called? Imbalance to get formed. Then after I got formed, you saw this tap into it, right? With a massive rejection, with a bullish rejection, right? Now scaling down to the 1 minute time frame. What do you have here? You have SMCs here at the bottom, right? You have NQ creating lower highs, right? But this was the first one I took, right? What's going on? See this SMC here. I was like, all right, since we formed an SMT, but price already failed to tap into this 1 minute gap, right? We have a an inversion to the upside here. Price closed here as bullish. I mean, price totally inverse this um bearish gap. Then let's get into an ES. What the ES do here? Mm, hold on, it's around 10 something, right? Yeah, around 10 something. Okay. So what do you see ES do? We saw ES. See, let's just ignore this price action here. Okay, let's just see. Okay, and let's make it easier for us here. Right, this point here. What's the delivery? Right, 10:33. See all the way to this place. Let's just ignore this candlestick here. Let's ignore it here. See our main focus is from. This point here, this fair value gap here, a price created. This 1 hour gap. I mean this 1 minute bullish gap, a price created to up to this point here, right? That's our main focus, right? So see price created a 1 hour um a 1 minute fair value gap with an internal low inside of the fair value gap. Then what do you see? Like see price came to take out the internal low, then at the same time creating an SMT, right? It's marked an SMT to to the at the bottom at the lows, right? You see NQ created an SMT. Um, at the lows also creating a lower high, then see NQ creating a lower low, right? You can, this can also be SMT also, SMT, SMT, right? Bunch of them. So what happened next? Let's get into the NQ charts and see price create um this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, this CB, right? And I then see what I did exactly. I mean, where's the long position? Entered on this next second candlestick, next candle open, right? Stops here at this low, right? Let's see what happened eventually. Fuck Barcelona. This what eventually happened, right? Target was here. I plan on going break even on this place. No, I think this already has given me one to yeah, the one to one reward. So there was really no break even here, right? There was no break even in this trade, actually. So it was like a bad trade. I actually rushed into this trade. I could have been patient and just wait for more price action to form, right? Then I got stopped right there. Yeah, I got stopped right there, right? Got stopped out. Price came all the way here. I thought okay, fine. I think we're already getting bullish momentum already. But this price delivery was very, very slow. That was why I was concerned. It was so freaking slow. I was concerned. I had a video when I took this trade. I'll post it here on the shirt, right? In no time. Alright. This was the first trade I took with a loss, right? So getting into the second trade, I extended my SMT all the way to this higher low here. Why? Because still on ES, it's created a lower low, right? And we use this next um sell side imbalance buy side inefficiency. This the next CB for our inversion type, right? But I made a mistake here. I entered way too early, right? I entered here because I thought price closed above this bearish gap. I thought price closed above it. Then I just entered immediately. I can show you the execution, right? Where is it here? Um, all right. See how it goes. Um, uh, execution marks, right? All right. See a trade that I took, right? Got stop with it here. Got fucked, man. Enter here. Got stop with it. Um, here. Got stop out here. Because my stop was actually below this low. Well, I don't know why price stopped me out here around this place. I don't even understand. Right. I took the next one here. I'm showing you this execution marks just to prove to you guys that I took this trade. Right. So let me just quickly off the execution mark. Guys, I'm still pretty much break even this week. I don't know what's really going on with me and price action. I don't even understand. I have to just risk less. This week for me should be a week whereby I risk very, very less, very, very, very minimal. And I, you understand, I should just work on gaining all my gaining the funds I lost. I should work on gaining them back, right? So we see this SMT extension here, right? The price created another bearish value gap. I got run through here, This could have been a nice place for me to take my entry, right? But instead, I took my entry from this point, and I thought price closes yeah bullish because I was like, I was really focused on entering this trade. I was like, okay, I was taking it out already. Alright, so what can we do? Next trade, entered, right? Then see a little bit of um storm here, right? I was going to be fucked for the second time. Like honestly, I was like, bro, I'm freaking done for today. I ain't taking no shit today. Then I saw this favor look up. I was like, I saw this rejection off of this favor look up. I was like, thinking, maybe can we actually reject off of this favor look up and see what can happen? Maybe price can just take out this short term intermediate high, and then from there we see an aggressive move to my break even. Bro, when price started took out this high, I immediately put my stop at break even. I was like, thank God, this is a break even trade. This is a risk free trade already. Why? You understand? So it was kind of like it was a lot for me to handle actually. Then this previous high that I thought I was supposed to be break even at was not my price target, right? So this is a beautiful trade for me to pick. Very beautiful trade for me to pick. All conferences were met, right? And also we must not forget we're also delivering from a um from an hourly no wait hold on let's see at least we're delivering from a higher time frame bullish gap, right? What's wrong with my network now? Come on, my God, what? Like what's looking going on? I don't really understand. Um, it's fucking this video for me now, bro. See how it goes, man. Come on, man. Fuck this video for me already. Nonsense. Okay, so we're delivering from a 15 minutes gap, from a 15 minutes PDRA, right? Just remember that. So I caught this move. Please don't start. Don't freaking start, please. Alright. Call this move from this 15 minutes bullish PDRA. This 15 minutes bullish gap. Call this move from this 15 minute bullish gap. Right. So it's an excellent trade for me to pick. At least I followed my rules and the plans was followed. I had a clear draw on liquidity, which was buy side, right? Then uh my draw on liquidity was obviously New York EM highs at the top, right? I wasn't really expecting price to take out that data highs at the top, at the extreme top, right? In which it did, in which it almost did here, because this is the data high here. This little piece of this is data high here. That little piece of line there that I delineated is the data high, right? So with that said, um, came into the market without any bias, right? But all I believe was that we're delivering um from this 15-minute gap to um some particular um what should I even call it? Let's say a significant key level here around here. I don't know what it is. Let's go see. No, 5-0. Fucking hell, man. What can I do most? I don't even know. Oh my god. Let's see. Alright. Okay, New York aim highs, right? Yeah, New York aim highs. Exactly, I said it. New York aim highs. I saw it. Bro, I need to get my freaking computer this month, man. I swear to God. This is fucking. I'm just tired. This is bullshit, man. Alright, nice trick to take. Um, Came into the market without any buyers, right? Then 9:30 open. I was seeing a lot of bad price action in this, right? Bad price action. This is 9:30 open, right? Seeing bad price action, right? I don't know how some people took trades like this. I can never take this kind of trade. I don't even know what they even saw that they took it. But me, I can't take trades like this. There's not enough narrative, right? There's not enough price action that that revealed itself, right? 9:30, post 9:30. I took the 10 a.m. continuation. Normally, I was going to take 10 a.m. reversal, but I don't think we were reversing at this point because the draw on liquidity was very, very obvious. But we're aiming for this New York AM high and some other subsequent highs at the top, right? So came to market without any buyers. Saw that price was creating a bullish reaction or a bullish displacement around 9:30. Then I was like, how can I be a part of this trade? I waited for price to create a 15-minute fair value gap. After the 15-minute fair value gap has been formed, I deleted it out. Price tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap and rejected away from the 15-minute fair value gap. Then what happened next? At 10 o'clock, we saw a little bit of price action here. We saw LR. We saw low resistance liquidity formed in place of SMCs, right? Then we see this CB formed and
New request,
take the freaking
61
trade.
Adunsi Street,
My
Lagos
freaking god, man!
102,216, cash 4036.4.
Right, alright. That's by the way. Okay, alright. We're done with this one. Then I waited for PM session. Then I saw this piece of fucking bullshit price action here, right? And I was like, nah, I'm good. I'm not taking this trade at all. I'm good. I didn't know that price was already on this 1 minute um discounted silver look up here, right? Never knew until now. Never even delete this shit here. This bullshit. From the highs to the lows. Just to prove to you this is a discount silver look up. From the highs to the lows here. From the lows to the high rather. Where do you see where do you see price hits? Price hits below the consequent encroachment level of this 1 minute silver look up, right? At the discount range, right? So I was freaking right. So at 10 a.m. open, that was around 1 o'clock. See price um um ran down into this bullish overlay gap, then created a kind of choppy reaction. In fact, when I saw this choppy price action, I was like, nah, I can't take this shit. But I already marked out my stuff. Then I was like, the only way I can see this thing happen, or the only way I can consider taking the trade is when I see a V-shaped recovery in which it formed a V-shaped recovery and the displacement to the upside, and signifying to us that the bullish strength of there's buying power, right? I was just I also saw a little piece of also, right? On ES created a lower lower high here. Where is it, man? Where is it? Right. So this is a ES created a lower high, right? And NQ created a lower low. So I was like, okay, the only way I can consider taking this trade is when I see this V-shaped recovery, which it happened, right? Price um took went ran up aggressively, then inverse this bearish gap. So I've taken my entry here, right? On ESO. I mean on NQ. Take my longs here, right? Stops below this low, right? That's 2 point something point stop or 2.6 stop, right? Then take profit above this high, right? Or on that high level. Yes. Then my break even be around this high. Break even, right? I won't consider stop ourselves at break even, to be honest. To be freaking honest, man. But let's see how it goes, how it went on NQ. No break even, man. No freaking break even. No break even this time. No break even. Right? Here. break even. These points here are full CP, but eventually because I didn't take this trade though. I wanted to take it. I was very busy. I was on my phone at the moment. So see price deliver from me 1 minute. Bullish Cavalry gap inside of a um what is this? There's there's a big ass 1 hour or 2 hour order block here. This was the order block level. I saw price um created this kind of good and nice price action, right? But I wasn't really expecting so much delivery like this, to be honest. And I wouldn't have taken this trade normally because of this choppy price action here, right? So that was also trade recap of today, and I hope you guys picked up some things from there. And mind you, I trade the mechanical model strategy created by PB Blake and PB Patrick, right? You can check their Instagram out on IG and their YouTube videos. And I'll also be posting um more content about my strategy, about how I analyze the market, how I see the market, because this is just pure trade recap, right? Pure market recap. So I'll also be posting content about my strategies and how I execute and everything. That'll be later, right? See this little piece of price action here. Just see, right? Where is this? Taps into a 1 minute gap and NQ, right? I'm just trying to analyze it. That's to see, that's to show you how confident I am, right? Taps into this 1 hour, 1 minute gap. Then if you see an inversion to the upside here, right? You can take it exactly. TP will be here. Wait, hold on, hold on. Somewhere here, sure. My stop will be below this low here, right? Break even will be there. Then final TP will be here above this range. This gives us a 1 to 1 risk reward, right? 29 29 point TP,
New request.
27
Absafe
point.
Lagos 102,216. Cash 3,000.
Fucking hell, man. Very very smooth reaction I'm seeing from this place like right now. Let's see. Do you get the same thing too? Yes. Yeah. We are holding this this favor look up here. I don't think so because this person feels favor look up. Yeah. Yay. Then the what's it called? Will be here, right? What's it called, sir? In fact, I can't I can't consider taking trade at this time because there's no inclusion of time here. This is just pure price action, right? It's gonna be all noise. So folks, with that being said, see you tomorrow on the next trade recap. I hope you learn some things, right? Peace out.